Feng Shui Secrets to instantly lift the energy in your room. Ever feel like things just aren't going your way? Stress builds up, and it feels like you're constantly running into blocks. Sometimes, it's not just about circumstances, but the energy around us. This isn't just a coincidence. The energy around us, especially in our personal spaces, can influence how we feel, think, and even how life unfolds. Negative energy in our surroundings can build up slowly, leaving us feeling stressed and blocked without a clear reason. Creating a positive environment in your home is one of the most impactful steps you can take for a balanced and productive life. In Feng Shui and other traditional practices, managing the energy flow in a space is essential to creating harmony and reducing tension. Today, I'll guide you through 2 powerful steps to clear away negative energy, helping to create a lighter, more welcoming environment. These simple techniques can make a noticeable difference, and in future videos, we'll explore even more tips. Clear the clutter. Our first step is to clear the clutter. It may seem simple, but clutter can actually hold on to energy, creating pockets of chaos that interrupt the natural flow. When your room is crowded with unnecessary items, it blocks the movement of fresh energy, making the space feel cramped and even draining. Have you ever felt like you can't focus, or that you're overwhelmed by little things? This is often because the energy in the room is cluttered too. Start by going through your room, putting away anything you don't use or love. Make it a goal to only keep items that add to the space's peace and beauty. Clear surfaces, like your desk or shelves, to allow energy to flow freely. You'll be amazed at how much lighter the room feels. Even a quick decluttering can make the energy around you feel refreshed and open, helping you feel more at ease and even boosting your creativity and focus. Salt cleanse for absorbing negative energy. With the space clear, it's time to take things a step further with a salt cleanse. Salt has been used for centuries to absorb and neutralize negative energy. It's a simple tool with powerful effects, creating a natural shield for your room. For this cleanse, I recommend using a mineral-rich salt like sea salt or Himalayan salt, as both are known for their grounding and purifying properties. If you don't have those, table salt will work too. Grab a few small bowls or cups to place around the room. Before placing the salt, set a positive intention for your space. Simply hold the salt in your hands, take a deep breath, and visualize clearing out any negative energy. Imagine the salt absorbing anything that doesn't serve you, leaving your space calm and refreshed. Now, place your salt bowls in the corners of your room, especially in areas where the energy feels dense or heavy. Corners tend to trap stagnant energy, so this is where salt can really do its work. Leave the salt undisturbed for at least 24 hours, allowing it to absorb any lingering negativity. After 24 hours, it's time to clear away the salt. Don't just toss it in the trash. Take it outside and scatter it on the ground if possible. This helps to release any absorbed energy back to nature, grounding it away from your space. For best results, try to do a salt cleanse once a month to keep the energy in your room fresh and balanced. However, if you feel the atmosphere is particularly heavy or tense, feel free to do it more often, every 2 weeks or even weekly if needed. Trust your instincts and do what feels right for your space. Once you've removed the salt, take a moment to notice how the room feels. You may sense a lighter, fresher atmosphere. It's like a natural reset for your space. Starting with a clutter-free room and adding a salt cleanse can make a huge difference in transforming the energy around you. Thanks for joining me in part 1 of this journey to create a positive, energized living space. Try the salt cleanse and let us know in the comments if you notice a difference. And don't forget to subscribe because in part 2, we'll dive into another powerful technique for refreshing your space's energy. See you next time.